The Federal Reserve are meeting tonight, and the markets are really weighing up what the Federal Reserve will do. A 50 basis point rate hike is expected from the Fed, but will they hike rates by 75 basis points? Headline inflation is surging in the US, but will the Fed decide to stress growth worries over and above inflation fears? So the different outcomes of the meeting could have a very different impact on gold prices. If we take a look at gold prices, we can see that price has broken out of this trend line moving from the August of 2020 down through January 2022. We had a retest earlier in May, just above the key 100 exponential moving average. So price is at a definitive turning point, and the Fed could move prices one way or the other. Now, if the Fed decide to push back on the latest aggressive rate hike pricing from short-term interest rate markets, then that could send gold soaring higher tonight. Any sense of the Fed growing concerned about slowing growth over and above inflation could send gold higher. Now, gold does have a very strong period during the summer months, as oftentimes gold purchases are made for the Indian wedding season. From July the 8th through to September the 3rd, gold prices have gained 10 times and fallen 5 times over the last 15 years. The largest gain in 2011 was over 20%, and the average gain has been over 4%. So will the Federal Reserve send gold soaring higher tonight? Major trade risks. If the Fed do signal more aggressive rate hiking, then the US dollar could rise even further along with yields, and that's usually a negative for gold prices, and so gold could see another leg lower before this seasonal pattern starts to kick in. You can analyze these charts for yourself by going to seasonax.com and get a no strings attached 3-day free trial. Which currency pair, commodity, index or stock would you most like to investigate for a seasonal pattern? Remember, don't just trade it, seasonax it.